Another new progression event on Rollercoin is here, and this time we have the Cyberpunk progression event. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so as you may all know by now, Rollercoin periodically releases progression events on their play-to-earn platform games. And this time it is Cyberpunk. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin, and here is Cyberpunk. And like I always love to do is I go into the details and dig in a bit deeper to what the progression events have to offer each and every time. So more details here. We can see that to get to a higher difficulty level in a game this time, it's 500 points. If you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, that's 1000 points. And if you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, you'll be getting 400 points for each and every RLT that you are spending. Now, bear in mind always that this is with the default ×1 multiplier. If you have a higher multiplier, obviously these you have to times depending on the multiplier that you have, and each multiplier lasts for 1 hour. However, check out my multipliers video to know exactly how you can even extend that multiplier time even further than 1 hour and use it in a more efficient and effective way. Now, what I also like to do is, obviously with progression events, you will have a list of rewards. Here we can see that I'm currently on this reward here, which I believe is at level 2. I haven't been playing the progression event much at all lately, so I'm still in the very beginning, but obviously you can build up and get even more rewards through the progression event. Now, this progression event did start around a day or 2 ago, so there are practically another 2 days remaining for the progression event. It was between 4 to 5 days, and not that long of a time period, but you can get through the rewards, especially if you have the multipliers. So let's check out the rewards for this now as well. And here they are, courtesy of Piero, like usual. So Cyberpunk, we started off with 5 RST with the 500 EXP that you need. These are always pretty typical the way they build up. It's just the prices that will change between each and every progression event. So here you can see we've got the Burge Edge as well at level 3. Normally we start getting the nice, good, powerful miners from around level 11 onwards. So in this case, it's going to be a 78.5 terahash nitro mine at level 11, and those will start building up. We've got some bonus miners here as well with bonuses attached to them with the Vaporwave Voyager as well right here, and that will give you a 0.5% bonus if you do not have that miner. But like always, if you do have the same type of miner, you can always merge it to get even more power and even more bonus power as well. So we go further down the list at level 18, we have a 336 terahash, a 266 terahash at level 19, and the whopping largest CryptoPunk miner with a 675 terahash power. Attached with it is also a 2% bonus. There are a total of 20 levels. The previous progression event was much longer at 40 levels, but this has 20 levels, and the points that you're getting for the progression event are pretty typical. So to get to a high level of difficulty, and again, it's 500 this time. Last time, since the event was much longer, it was 750, but this time it's half those levels, so you should be able to make these in time as well for the 4 to 5 day period that there was for this progression event. There are, again, 2 days remaining, and I'm sure that you can get all of these rewards if you actually play the games and watch a couple of my videos of how you can get through the games faster as well, and how to use those multipliers. The multipliers are the most important factor, okay? Now, you can get a total from this event of 2 petahash per second, okay? So that's pretty good as well, and you'll also get a total of 5% bonus, okay? And that's just the mining power bonuses that you're getting from the miners, okay? I don't believe I saw any racks with bonuses in this one, so you just get a regular rack at the very beginning, and there are no other racks in this progression event particularly, but stay tuned for other progression events. Normally Rollercoin are releasing progression events on a weekly basis, so there's always some good, nice prizes to get, okay? Some nice rewards there that you can get No matter when you start, you can start this on the last day. It's very easy, even just to get the first two, okay? So if you're fighting for the event passes or season tokens, at least you're going to get something, okay? It's not nothing, okay? 5 RST can make a bit of a difference if you've got 4,995 RST and you just need another 5 to get that 5,000 mark RST that you can use before the season ends so that you can buy some miners from the season store, then that would help you right there, okay? And the season is soon drawing to an end as well, so stay tuned for the new season when that comes out as well. So this is basically what I wanted to tell you. The Cyberpunk progression event is now on. Do also stay tuned for more updates on my channel, because I'll even start doing a couple of giveaways as well for you to be able to get some nice crypto prizes as well when you actually deposit in the game using my name. But more details on that in another video that I'll be making, so stay tuned for that on the details, because I'm still working out the details myself to make it as fair as possible for you all to get a chance of winning some RLT from me as well, okay? So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.